In this video, we will cover everything from what to post, how the algorithm is updated in 2024. Watch it to the end because I will show you some secret hacks that are working right now and you can get millions of followers using these hacks. So let's go. The first thing is how much to post. If you are just starting to post on Instagram, I would recommend you to post at least twice a day, but not more than that. Why? Yes, the quality content matter, but the consistency also matter. So you need to post at least one, and in the best case scenario, twice a day. So the next thing is hashtags. How many hashtags to use? You might be wondering how many hashtags to use. Should we use 20 hashtags, 30 hashtags, 10 hashtags, 5 hashtags, or 5 hashtags, or no hashtags? But the thing is that hashtags doesn't matter. Instead, do this SEO strategy. So in this strategy, we will basically try to describe our video with keywords. You have to describe your reels with the keywords that will help you get rank on the video. So here comes the most important thing, what to post. Ever wondered some creators go viral again and again and again and you just scratch your head looking like a fool? It's not just luck, it's a strategy. So the thing is that you don't have to reinvent the wheel. You don't have to find something that no one is talking about or something new, something crazy. It does help, but if you want to go viral again and again and again, you have to do this. Follow this exact strategy. So the first thing that you have to do is research. You have to look in your niche and find 10 creators who are doing really great. You have to list 10 ideas from each creator that has gone viral. Here comes our second step, steal the hook. Writing a good hook is really hard. So what you have to do is steal their hook. Stealing is wrong, but you have to steal like an artist. You are just copying the hook, not whole reel. And third and the most important point is be 5% better. So whatever you do, whatever reel you create, you have to create it 5% better than one you copied. 5% better than your competitor, than the one you copied. You can make it better by having a good video, by writing it better, having a better content, or basically thinking in a creative way to make it better. So you have to make it better, and then every single one of your reel will definitely go viral. So now we know how much to post, what hashtags to use, and what to post. Point is algorithm. How is algorithm working right now and how you can use it to get millions of views. Algorithm is favoring these three things. And the last thing is a game changer. The first thing that algorithm is favoring is comments. You have to create your reels in such a way that it will get more comments. You have seen many reels like textures to get these comment this to get this, comment this to get that. These reels are literally going viral. Why comments? Because when you get comments, the Instagram algorithm will think this content is really engaging. Everyone is talking about this in the comments. We should share it with other people. So that's why you have to aim to get more comments. Second thing that algorithm is favoring right now is shares. The more share your reels will get, the Instagram algorithm thinks that it is a really valuable content. Everyone is sharing this. This is something new. We have to explore this thing. So that's why even if you share it with your friend, even if someone share it in their stories, so when someone shares it in their stories, it will get double or triple reach because the person followers will also see this. So that's why shares are important. The third and the most important thing that algorithm is favoring right now is watch time. So if you go to your insights, you can see this graph, this watch time graph, and it will show you exactly how you can get more watch time. In order to get more watch time, you can do these two things. You can create 5 to 7 second short reels. So in this, people will watch 5 to 7 seconds, and in the caption, in which we will have a hook, then value in the caption. And while someone reads the caption, the reel will get played again and again and again, and it will help us get more retention and watch time. And the second type of reel is talking head reel, like this YouTube video or someone talking to the camera. So in this, you have to create reel in such a way that people will watch it till the end. You can say something like this. The third point is really valuable. The watch it till the end because I am sharing something new. It will really help you get more watch time. Here are some hacks that are working right now in 2024, and if you use this, you will actually hack the algorithm and get the most amount of views. The first hack is looping your videos. In this, people will actually don't know if your video is ended or it will continue again and again and again. So how we can do this? First thing that we can do is choosing an audio that repeats again and again, and it doesn't feel like it's ended. And the second thing that we can do is create video in such a way that it loops. How we can do that? Basically, stop using call to action. As soon as someone feels like the reel is ending, they just stop watching the reel. So you have to make reels in such a way that it doesn't feel like it's ending and just loop away. So you have to stop using call to actions and basically create reels till the end. One thing that is going really viral right now is reaction videos. These type of videos are blowing up right now. How we can create reaction videos? These videos are very simple to create. You have to take a viral video, you have to react to a viral video and give your genuine opinion on it, and that's it. It's really easy to create and it is blowing up right now. And here is one last hack that is working right now. But before that, if you want me to help you grow your Instagram, get more leads, sales, and basically scale your business, just check out the link in the description, or else just subscribe to this channel, because I will share more in-depth case studies on how you can grow an Instagram in 2024. And this last hack is creating green screen videos. So what are green screen videos? These videos are basically very raw form of videos and you don't require any editing or anything. You just have to have some news, article, or something that is currently going on your industry and provide commentary on it. And you might have seen this working on TikTok, but it is also going really well on Instagram. More things that are working right now are memes. If you post memes, they are more relatable and help you get more shares. If you like this video, subscribe right now, because I will share more in-depth details on how you can grow on Instagram and make actual money out of this.